pa, sabi ko yung kagustuhan mo na umuwi, yan din yung katapusan ng buhay mo, magiging Ninoy Aquino Jr. ka. Any reaction po from the palace?
Inahahalintulad ba ni VP Sara ang kanyang ama kaya sa yumaong Ninoy Aquino? Parang hindi po natin nadinig noon na inahilintulad ni dating Pangulong Duterte ang sarili niya kay Ninoy, kung hindi kay Hitler. So napakalayo pong ipakumpara ang sarili o ikumpara ang dating Pangulong Duterte kay Ninoy Aquino na hindi nagkaroon ng anumang record ng mass murder or crimes against humanity.
Hitler massacred 3 million Jews. Now, there's a 3 million drug addicts. There are. I'd be happy to slaughter them. At least, if Germany had Hitler, the Philippines would have. But, you know, my victims, I would like to be all criminals to finish the problem of my country and save the next generation from perdition.
In another tale of this drama, pinasalamatan ni VP Sara Duterte si President Marcos dahil ang pagkakakulong raw ni FPRRD ang nagpalapit sa kanilang mag-ama.
I'm happy. I think that